Wanna feel that?
Yo, Jamaica move shaky from there, brother. Them come tell man, oh, corona beer virus, then earthquake, and now tsunami.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Yo, people, they better know say your boy Yaadman Etan. And today has been a rough day in Jamaica. First, we started off with the coronavirus scare. I'm not talk about the beer. Yo, Jamaica time, you know. Yo, what going, baby? Thing good?
Ethan, I miss you. When you come home?
Yeah, man, don't worry about that, babes. I soon come back to Jamaica. I look for some plane ticket right now.
So when you reach me, I'll give you a kiss and a red stripe.
Babes, let me tell you something now. My taste has evolved since me move come on foreign, you know. Right now, me no want a red stripe, babes. A corona, me want.
That boy, yeah, man.
Wait, that babes, hold
We
on.
begin with news that medical officials at the University Hospital of the West Indies are treating a suspected case of the coronavirus.
Yo, babes, hear me I say no. Me no want a corona. Give me a red stripe, a dragon, and a special. A brand Jamaica my thing the year. Yo, me not even know if I come back to Jamaica right yet.
But babes, I don't want you to come meet my father.
What did I say?
Yeah, baby, never know him that coming from China.
But babes, me never know say you half Chinese.
I mean, but for my good, no girl can say me and cause problem.
Yo, look here now, babes. Me now come to Jamaica. Yo, me and you done. The only reason I'm there with you is because you look like Shensia. Alright. Yo, hear me I said though. Jamaica now see me. My God. If you've been paying attention to social media and to the news, you'd be aware that there is a highly contagious virus coming out of China. Specifically, I think is Wuhan. Hold on, yes, I believe the epicenter is Wuhan China. Right now, things kind of scary. And for my Jamaicans, many of you may know, and for the non-Jamaicans, you may not know, that there's a lot of immigration that happens between Jamaica and China. So people in Jamaica, freed. And today, Alexa, what date is today?
Today is Tuesday, January 28th.
Tuesday, January 28th. This morning, as me wake up out of my bed, I was informed that Jamaica has a suspected case of coronavirus. Suspected. The individual in question was taken to the University Hospital of the West Indies, and the entire hospital was quarantined. And then that is where foolishness starts and words start spread, and you know how social media gets. Everybody start panic, and worse, Jamaican people naturally manic already. So you know, say whatever you say on social media is just going to be completely blown out of proportion. But I mean, we're free yet still. Of course, we start off with this tweet by a reggae don at the University Hospital of the West Indies. We out here. Selfies in the quarantine hospital. TVJ News has reported that the patient recently came to the island from China. Now, I've noticed a lot of people are asking, yo, why wasn't the individual quarantined at the Norman Mandela International Airport or whichever airport them come from in Jamaica? Now, here's the thing about the coronavirus. Even though I'm there for the laughs, I need to educate the public as to what I want. The coronavirus can remain dormant in your system for a week to 2 weeks. So you may not even be aware that you're carrying the virus while you are contagious. And best believe the coronavirus contagious like yarn, brother. So don't ask why the airport never quarantined the individual. You can't just quarantine people because they're coming from a country. My brethren in China right now, tell him stay over there. Oh gosh. Breaking. University Hospital of the West Indies treated suspected case of coronavirus. Patient came from China recently. Then Jamar McFarlane says, alright, so the zombie apocalypse is confirmed. I propose we start a colony somewhere up Blue Mountains and seize control of at least 3 supermarkets and 2 private hospitals with our militia. We will elect a leader via trial by combat and begin preparations for repopulation. Why can't we just take things serious? Oh gosh. Alright. Now, before I get into the other set of tweets, I need to say this. One of the things that concerned me about the virus coming out of China was that I knew that eventually people would get xenophobic. If you don't know what xenophobic means, here it is. It is the word of the day. Or start with the racial foolishness with people who are Chinese and are of Chinese descent. Now keep in mind everything that is said on this channel. If it's a joke, it's a joke. Alright? But I am concerned that people are going to just people just gonna get stupid over this. Alright? I ate Chinese food last night. The Times comes back. Was it cooked in China? Because you're not helping with this. My point. Yo, this is, as I said, this is kind of crazy. You'll see a lot of footage what's going on over in China. People not on the road. People only leave them house whenever they need basic necessities. Alright. Right now, I even heard today that in a sovereign mall in a Jamaica, in like around Ligani, that everybody did a walk around the place with face masks. And then I got to thinking, people have to make money off of other people paranoia. Did you know? Like, you can get 100 face masks on Amazon for like $20. And then, may I hear people sell one face mask in a Jamaica for $1,000? $1,000 Jamaican? What's your style here? Alexa, what is 1,000 Jamaican dollars to US dollars?
1,000 Jamaican dollars is $7 and 23 cents.
Boom, 723 US dollars. So if me buy 100 face masks for $20 US, and then sell each of them for $1,000 Jamaican, we're talking, Alexa. No, I don't need Alexa for this. Never mind. Can get 723 US dollars. That's a $703 profit. Yo, but let me build, because people really out here making money off of people's paranoia, right? Yo, guys, we need to calm down. The Times comes with, "Wanna never stop eat KFC over a rat, but look a flu and wanna want mash up Mr. Chin business about you eat Chinese food last night." Thankfully, the Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, addressed the nation thanks to Andrew Holness's live on Twitter, and he dispelled a lot of the rumors and paranoia that's going on. Yo, hear me on the live ran for about 20 odd minutes. I'm not putting the entire live in this video right now, but all I can say is the important part is
I just want to say categorically, based on the advice I have, that there's no truth to the claim that there's a case of the new coronavirus at the University Hospital of the West Indies.
So yeah, the coronavirus is not in Jamaica. It was a suspected case. Alright? Eat that. Nothing too serious. What else happened today? Yo! Wanna feel that? And me want feel that? No man. I want to go into Jamaica. So I wake up this morning to coronavirus, then tremors from a wicked earthquake, and then tsunami warning. Yo, 2020 just started up. Of course, Jamaican people don't take anything serious. So of course, me myself had to jump in on the Twitter shenanigans. You see me? I was like, yo, right as we shake off coronavirus, we are wash off. I want to go on to that. Yo, this has probably got to be my favorite tweet from today. Ladies free before 12! And this was courtesy of my personal Facebook. Jules Spence is like, so this man really looking me in the middle of a tsunami warning, and me come with him want bed off the coronavirus with you. Even though Jamaican people take serious things may joke, a lot of people around the world may look at us as if we're very insensitive. The reality is, just like, you know, in the beginning of the year with potential war breaking out and everybody never took anything serious, this is just everyday life in Jamaica. When serious things go on, joke off a make. Trust me, we make jokes about even more serious things, alright? So, of course, this is, you know, being real now. Please, people, take it easy with the xenophobia, right? Not everybody coming from China is going to be carrying a disease that is going to kill you. Calm down. I am really just, you know, speaking out to a lot of people. I know that there are a lot of Chinese Jamaicans and people of Chinese descent who may face a certain type of prejudice because of the situation, similar to when Ebola broke out in West Africa a couple years ago. So people, we could just hold it, educate ourselves on this situation, and try to stay healthy and be healthy. Dodge sneezes like the Matrix, alright? Bring hand sanitizer with you, and just don't get sick, alright? People, please take care of yourself. Big up on the damn self, you don't know. Yaadman Etan.